I tested 6 electric scooters. First impression, this thing feels built for distance. The dual suspension soaks up cracked pavement way better than I expected, and the range held up close to what Segway advertises on my test loop. 1 pro, genuinely comfortable on rough streets. 1 con, it's heavy, so carrying it upstairs isn't fun. Verdict, great if you're commuting long distance and don't need to carry it far. This one's a different category entirely. It's got a seat and a peak motor rating over 4,000 watts. Acceleration is genuinely strong, and the seat makes longer rides way more comfortable. Pro, real cargo capacity and a comfortable seated ride. Con, it's bulky, definitely not something you're folding into a backpack. Verdict, best if you want scooter meets moped comfort and don't need portability. This is the priciest scooter in the lineup, and the dual 1000-watt motors show it. Hill climbs that other scooters struggled with, this one just powers through. Pro, genuinely premium acceleration and full suspension. Con, at over $1,000, this isn't an impulse buy, and it's overkill if you're just doing short errands. Verdict, for serious commuters who want performance, this earns its price tag. This is the budget pick, and honestly, for the price, it does the basics fine. It's light, it folds fast, and it's easy to carry. But, and this is the honest part, the range and top speed are noticeably limited, and the ride gets rough on anything but smooth pavement. Con, don't expect this to handle long commutes. Verdict, fine as a short trip or campus scooter, not much more. The Hiboy S2 Pro sits right in the middle, and it's a solid all-rounder. 25-mile range held up reasonably well in my test, and the dual braking system inspired more confidence than I expected at this price. Pro, strong value for the range you get. Con, no real suspension, so bumps come through. Verdict, a smart pick if you want mid-range range without spending premium money. NIU's app ecosystem is genuinely one of the best in this lineup, ride stats, anti-theft alerts, the works. The triple braking system stopped confidently every time I tested it. Pro, excellent braking and app features. Con, it's priced close to the Segway without quite matching its comfort on rough roads. Verdict, great if you want smart features and reliable stopping power.
Subscribe.